Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel NCERT Mitra. In previous two videos, we already discussed about the causes of the earthquake, effect of the earthquake. In this video, we are going to discuss the effect of the earthquake actually. Okay, so perhaps you can see that the area, whatever the area, you can say the area number of area we can get, there is a frequently earthquake occurs. Okay, earthquake occurring infrequently. Perhaps you can see in that area, first one is the known as the Pacific Ocean or ocean, that is known as also the ring of fire. Okay, this is known as the ring of fire. So this thing we have to memorize. Okay, this area means that from the West Asia, from the China, Japan, okay, Russia, then come to eastern, you can see the western USA, then Western Africa. So these are the plate boundaries where we can find where we can find all type of, you can see the number of, you can see the huge number of, or the lots number of the you can say the volcanic eruption. Okay, volcanic eruption. Okay, so this thing we have to, so these are the two areas where we can get it. Okay, so this thing we have to understand. First thing, so ring of fire in the Pacific Ocean. In the Pacific Ocean, you can say in the Pacific Ocean, there we can find out the Mid-Atlantic ridge. So Mid-Atlantic ridge, one of the divergent plate boundary we can see over there. So in divergent plate boundary, perhaps you can see that is this area is Mid-Atlantic Ocean from the Iceland towards the north of Atlantica. So this can be happen in that area. Okay, so these are the area. Now one in my background, you can say number of, you can say the earthquake zone can be found 1, 2 in the number I have given, that the frequently occurs there is a earthquake. Okay, in Japan you can see the land of the earthquake, it is known as. So this thing we have to understand. In Europe, in India as well as the, means wherever we can find the plate boundaries, there is a great chance of occurring of the great chance of the occurrence. Okay, so now these are the map. Perhaps you can see in my background number of, you can see the earthquake occurs in different places of the earth. It starts from the North America, South America, then you can see the Europe and India as well, in the Himalayan regions, and you can see the Japan. Okay, so these are the area where the earthquake occur frequently. Now you can see the what are the effects of the, you can say the earthquake. Perhaps you can see fire that can be happen. Okay, liquefaction, landslide, tsunami, fault rupture that can be happening due to the earthquake. Number of effect can be done. You can see the collapse, you can see the collapse of building, during the earthquake, there is a shaking of the earth, so that time the building can be collapsed. Destruction of the road and the rail transport system, that also can be done. Destruction of the service provision, that is the gas, water, electricity and telecommunication, that also can be done. Fires can be done. Flood, you can see the number of, you can see the dam that can be destructed, that can be destroyed during time of this. So this can be happening. Okay, food shortage. So during time of the earthquake, there may be the food shortage in that area. Then come to the tsunami also. If the earthquake occur in the interior part of the earth, interior part of the ocean, so that time that there is a great chance of the tsunami. Perhaps you know, during time of the you can say the during the time of 2000 you can say the 2004, there was a great tsunami in all over the India, mainly faced in Andaman Nicobar, then come to the Sumatra, then southern India. So these are the area where we due to this fact tsunami can be occurred. Disruption from the local economy, actually there is a huge loss during the fire. There is a, you can see the loss of property, so that can be death, injury is a normal phenomena. Is the earthquake crosses in the 7 or the 6, so that time that there is a great chance of the human death or casualties. Okay, so these are the main thing we have to we already discussed. So thank you for watching this.